ENVISION by Civco Medical Solutions is a viral barrier cover that enables 100% gel-free ultrasound procedures. The ENVISION ultrasound probe cover is activated with a sterile liquid and requires no gel, which reduces the risk of contamination, can improve the quality of FNA specimens, and simplifies clinician workflow. To get started with the ENVISION cover, locate your source of sterile liquid and empty procedure contents into your sterile field. Insert one hand into the cover, push gently in the center of the cover to expose the liner's perforation, and remove the liner with your other hand. Holding the cover taut, position the adhesive pad on the ultrasound probe face and grasp the probe. If necessary, simply reposition the cover over the probe face to remove wrinkles. Place the elastic bands from the procedure pack over the cover around the probe handle and cord to keep the cover in place. Apply the identified sterile liquid to the target anatomical area of the patient and begin scanning. The elimination of gel with ENVISION provides clinical advantages when used in radiology for thyroid FNAs, vascular access for placement of CVC and PICC lines, and any other procedure where gel can present risk to the patient or process. Following the procedure using ENVISION, easily remove the cover by peeling the adhesive from the probe face. Contact Civco to learn more about how the ENVISION cover can reduce the risk of contamination, improve quality of FNA specimens, and simplify workflow.